In this video, we'll be covering the use of the Kidsflex Special Purpose Restraint. Before each journey, check that the Isofix connections are secured. The full video on the Kidsflex installation is available as part of this video series. To swivel the Kidsflex, pull upwards on the silver release pin located at the side of the seat. This will allow the seat to be swiveled towards the vehicle door. Undo the inbuilt harness using the buckle button, and if necessary, loosen the straps by pressing the grey button on the adjustment mechanism of each shoulder strap. Next, transfer the child into the restraint, ensuring the shoulder straps of the inbuilt harness are in line with the top of the shoulders. If they are not, the position of the harness may need to be adjusted. Ensure the buckle is done up at the front of the child. You should hear an audible click. The harness should then be tightened by pulling on the black strap located at each shoulder section of the harness to ensure a supportive and snug fit. Care should be taken to ensure that the harness webbing is not twisted or trapped and must be completely tightened. When swiveling the seat back into the lock position, take care to ensure that the locking pin secures the seat in place. This can be tested with light pressure on the seat to try to get it to rotate. During this, take extra care to ensure the child's fingers are clear of moving parts and swivel latches. The Kidsflex must always be used with the vehicle seatbelt, which is always used in the same way regardless of configuration and accessories installed. For correct installation of the Kidsflex, the vehicle seatbelt must be used over the top of the child and the restraint. The upper section of the seatbelt passes through the red belt guide located at the side of the back support. The belt can be fed through the belt guide at the side as shown here. This guide can be adjusted independently to the head support by loosening these bolts here. Care should be taken to ensure this adjustment is made to provide a guide of good seatbelt fitment for the user. The lower section of the seatbelt should pass through the red belt guide section closest to the seatbelt origin. The vehicle seatbelt should then pass over the user and the seat, with both sections of the seatbelt then passing through the red belt guide on the opposite side of the seat base, before being secured into the receiver. Take care to ensure that the seatbelt is not twisted and that the path is not interrupted unintentionally. Care should also be taken to remove any slack from the vehicle seatbelt. During the use of the Kidsflex, care should be taken to ensure the child has not outgrown the weight capacity for the restraint. For Kidsflex size 1, this is 22 kilograms. For size 2, 36, and for Kidsflex size 3, this is 75 kilos. If the user is approaching the weight limit, consider a review of their safe transport plan with an appropriately trained healthcare professional. As with any child restraint, you should periodically check for loose, missing, or damaged parts of the restraint that may impair its safety performance. Thanks for watching.